So I've been seeing the Korean marinated eggs everywhere, so I'm gonna make some. Grab your eggs. I already boiled them for like about 10 minutes because I want like soft yolk. The key to making soft boiled egg is and they peel easily, is adding salt to the boiling water, and then as soon as you get them off the heat, throw them in an ice cold bath, and they like peel easily and your eggs don't break. See? There. Now we're gonna start on the marinade. I have some gochugaru and some salt. I have some minced garlic. So the recipe originally calls for green onions. I don't have any, so I'm just adding some onions. Some sesame seeds. Some sesame oil. I'm gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna add like about a tablespoon. Some rice vinegar. That's about it. Like that was a tablespoon. Corn syrup. Or you can use honey or sugar. It doesn't matter. Half a cup of water. And about 3/4 cup of soy sauce. 1 cup would have been too much. Now give everything a good mixy. I know in other Korean recipes they use Korean red chili peppers. They cut it up and add it for that crunch. But yeah, you can just make it to your liking. I'm gonna taste the sauce a bit. It's good. Obviously, it's gonna be really salty because it has to marinate the eggs. So add in your eggs. I'm using about 8 eggs. Some of them are ugly, some of them are real cute. And then you're gonna let them marinate in the fridge for 24 hours, obviously. And then I'm gonna do a taste test. So into the fridge they go. Hi, so as you guys can tell, it's the next day and the eggs have been marinating for almost 24 hours. It even changed in color. Guys, look, it's perfect inside, like the perfect consistency I was looking for. Okay, let's try some. I'm gonna put a little more soy sauce. So bismillah. This is really good. Oh my god, it goes so well with rice. Look how perfect that is. You guys have to try it. So good. Oh my god.